Hey there, guys. Here I am for another vlog. Um, Related to this week, what I wanted to talk about is about DTube. There has been some problems with the API node, but yeah, I am looking for um, I'm trying to create some way to identify those problems and avoid sending a lot of messages in the DTube's alerts. Um, so whenever the API nodes are down, at least I will have some notification that the node is down or the nodes are unreachable, and either move to another node, which I already do in case of error. But if the node is down or replies with some strange content, it just clears up the contents, and that's not very good. So I am trying to figure out a solution for that, and I continue my work on the wallet. And besides that, my nodes had some issue as well. Um, it stopped working for some strange reason. I but then after a restart, it just started working again. But this time was not a network issue. It was there was an error message. So whenever I can dedicate some time to that, I will try to figure out what's going on, and maybe contact Time in Danger as well to see if he knows about that error message and what can be causing it. So yeah, this week has been a very special week for all of us. Congratulations to everyone for being so patient to roll all this bear market together and survive it. So to all the hodlers, cheers everyone. It was a good time. And yeah, with Bitcoin in all-time highs, I would expect DTube coin to also have some extra juice. Let's see. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that I've been searching for new talent in DTube. I already found two new users with a great musical content. As you all probably know, I dedicate myself to curate music content in DSound and in DTube. So I found two interesting content creators, musicians, and I donated to each of them 50 DTC. It's just a gift because it's very, very bad that whenever they post content, they don't receive anything. The first one that I discovered, I didn't know that it was that way in DTube economics, but they have a new account and they have like 0 DTC or something like that, or very, very low voting power. So when they post, they post with very low voting power, and I went there and I liked the content, so I gave a very big vote. And suddenly I went to check the vote rewards, and I saw that I was receiving all of it. So what's the point for me? So I decided to send the guys 50 DTC to help regenerate some voting power, and I sent a comment afterwards telling them to post more with a larger interval and try to try to put all the power that they generate on the content, so that they can generate some rewards. And again, that bug in DTube, the layout in the DTube front end happened, and I happened to make some comment with 500,000 voting power, and that generated almost the 50 DTC that I gave. So yeah, that was not intended, but it worked out pretty well. Actually, today I found another content creator. I tried to perform the same operation, and it didn't generate the 50 DTC that I was expecting. It was just like 12 DTC or something like that. But anyway, it's not a very big deal. I would have sent the 50 DTC anyway the first time, so it's not the purpose of that. It was unintended, but it worked, and this time it didn't work. I don't know why. I would like someone to that understands better the economics to maybe explain me why a vote with the same amount sometimes generates more DTC and sometimes generates less. I don't know. From the white paper and all that, I didn't understand it that way. So yeah, I am here in this beautiful view. Sharing with you the beauty of this countryside, and yeah, I wanted to keep you updated. I really ask everyone that can also join these new creators and vote for them, so that they can get some more rewards. Yeah, it's new people, and I really think that it's very discouraging for people that join the platform and don't see any rewards when they don't have any DTC. So if you guys can donate a little bit, or just use voting power to regenerate what you give, or something like that, I think it's a very interesting idea. And yeah, it's I would like to know what you think about that. So this is my update for this week. Just keep enjoying the all-time highs, and yeah, let's stick around for another bull run, hopefully. Okay? Cheers, guys. See you around. Keep rocking.